Here we go, McDee3 rocking out a box of the new Topps Prime Football. So hopefully there's something pretty epic in here. Cam Newton auto, always nice. There you go, buddy. Have a good one, Sam. Alright, we've got a Prime Rookies of John Baldwin, Wes Welker green, and a Daniel Thomas number to 930. We've got a duel of Santana Moss and Leonard Hankerson. We've got a Sam Bradford green and a blue of Christian Ponder to 599. Got an Andre Johnson blue, number to 75. 75 Andre Johnson. Ryan Mallett rookie. Tony Gonzalez green and Raheem Moore to 599. Oh, no shortage of hits in this stuff. We've got a triple of Calvin Johnson, Michael LaSure, and Titus Young. Got a green of Michael Turner and a blue of Ricky Stanzi to 599. So I guess we're saving all the hits till the end here. Got a rookie of Jordan Todman, Stephen Tulloch, green, and red to 499 of Titus Young. Titus Young at red to 499. So 3 of the last 5 packs should have hits. We got a duel of Titus Young and Austin Pettis. And, oh, nice. We've got a Ray Lewis jersey, numbered 3 of 25, Prime Veteran Relic. Ray Lewis, numbered to 25. Nice. And we've got a Ryan Williams to 699. We've got a rookie of Prime Veteran, sorry, of Jason Witten, Brandon Jacobs green, and a Stephen Ridley numbered to 930. Got a duel of Michael LaSure and Titus Young. We've got a quad jersey auto rookie numbered to 515 of Daniel Thomas. Daniel Thomas, number to 515. Beautiful cards. And we've got a Dion Lewis purple to 399. We've got a quad of AJ Green, Julio Jones, Randall Cobb, and Leonard Hankerson. We've got a Prime Rookie Jumbo Relic, numbered 11 of 25, Shane Vereen. Shane Vereen to 25. Nice. And a Kyle Rudolph to 930. And last pack for you, McDee3. It's got an autograph. Wow, a lot of 25s in this box. Autograph numbered 15 of 25, Jamie Harper. 15 of 25, Jamie Harper. Got a Prime Veteran of Larry Fitz, a green of James Stark, and a purple, the 399 of Stephen Ridley. So now you get more hits than base in this stuff. So there you go, McD. Nice box.